Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's now take a look at stocks under the hood today. I'm Isabel Lee, filling in for Paul Sweeney with Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are we looking at?
Well, Isabel, let's take a look at Seagate. So ticker STX, those shares are up more than 8% at the moment. So Seagate, it's a computer hardware company, and we're seeing trading volume rising to more than quadruple its 20-day average, according to Bloomberg data. We did get news today saying that its price target was increased to $215 from $170 at Bank of America. And, at the end of August, Bloomberg Intelligence did project a 16% sales growth for fiscal 2026. Because they see its cloud dynamics as favorable because of data center deployments and AI catalysts. So those shares having a really good day today.
Okay, and Western Digital, which is an old school tech company because they make hard drives.
Yeah, absolutely, Scarlett. But they are proving to be popular with investors today. Western Digital shares, ticker WDC. Those shares are up more than 5% at the moment, extending some of those opening gains that we saw earlier. They're up for 10 days. That's the longest winning streak since July 2019. Trading volume also doubling from the 20-day average during this time of day. So price target also raised for this company, $115 from $85 at benchmark. And last week, Bloomberg Intelligence saying that they see 17% sales growth for this company in fiscal 2026, and margin expansion looks favorable as well. And that could spur EPS growth of about 2% above consensus. They also say that the company does have long-term pacts that give it visibility for at least a year for its sales.
What about Corteva? Can you please tell us what the stock is?
Yes, Corteva, CTV, shares not doing too well, down more than 3%. So Corteva is actually the $50 billion agribusiness company that formed after the 2017 merger of Dow Chemical and DuPont. So it's a major player in the agribusiness. It's one of the world's largest suppliers of genetically modified corn and soybean seeds, as well as pesticides. So the big news was actually out on Friday afternoon after it closed. The Wall Street Journal reporting that it's considering separating its seed and pesticide businesses. And investors and analysts really not taking that news well this Monday morning. Bloomberg Intelligence weighing in saying that a split, quote, would undermine product and financial logic because it takes the company away from this idea of farming as a service. That's a model that a lot of its competitors are adapting, but that potential separation would take Corteva away from that path.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.